Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can disable domain auto-renewal on Namecheap, so please listen carefully. And before starting, make sure that you have access to your Namecheap account. So first, you will log into your Namecheap, and once you're here, you will click account and then look for domain list, so go ahead and click that. And once you're here, you will of course make sure that you already have a domain here, and then what you will do is basically just click domain and then you will click manage after that, and then after that you will scroll to auto renew under the domain section, and then you will toggle the auto renew switch off, so you may need to confirm in a pop-up window, and finally verify that the auto renew status shows as disabled, and then you will double check the settings so you won't be charged unexpectedly. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.